Did you know that Google processes over 8.5 billion searches per day? That means every second, millions of people are searching for products, services, and solutions to their problems. Now, what if I told you that you could tap into this massive traffic and turn it into cold, hard cash with affiliate marketing?
That's right.
Affiliate marketing with Google Ads is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. But here's the thing. Most people burn their money on ads because they don't know the right strategies. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it the smart way, so you can maximize your profits while keeping your costs low. How does affiliate marketing with Google Ads work? It's simple. You promote someone else's product through an affiliate link. When people click on your ad and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The trick is to target the right audience, use high-converting keywords, and structure your ads for maximum ROI. But before we dive into the step-by-step process, make sure to subscribe. If you skip this, you might miss out on some game-changing strategies that could double your earnings. Step 1. Choosing the right affiliate product. Not all affiliate products work well with Google Ads. Some are too competitive, while others don't convert well. The key is to choose products that are high-ticket items, higher commission per sale, recurring subscriptions, earn every month, in-demand solutions, things people actively search for. Platforms like ClickBank, MaxBounty, and PartnerStack have great products to promote. Step 2. Finding high-converting keywords. Here's where most people mess up. They either target the wrong keywords or bid too high on competitive ones. Instead of going for broad terms like best VPN, focus on buyer intent keywords like best VPN for gaming discount, cheap VPN for Netflix deal, best VPN under $5. These are less competitive and more likely to convert. Use Google Keyword Planner to find these hidden gems. Step 3. Creating your Google Ads campaign. Once you have your keywords, it's time to set up your Google Ads campaign. Here's what you need to do. Use responsive search ads for better performance. Write compelling ad copy that highlights a unique selling point, discount, free trial, limited time offer. Add negative keywords to avoid irrelevant traffic and wasted ad spend. Step 4. Setting up a bridge page. Avoid getting banned. Google doesn't like direct affiliate links, so if you try to run an ad straight to your affiliate link, you'll get banned faster than you can say Google. Instead, create a bridge page or a landing page where you provide value before sending users to the affiliate offer. Step 5. Tracking and optimizing for higher profits. Once your ad is live, don't just set it and forget it. Track your conversions using Google Analytics and conversion tracking. If a keyword isn't performing well, pause it and test a new one. If an ad is making money, increase the budget. Smart tips and tricks to boost your earnings. Use retargeting ads. 97% of people don't buy on their first visit. Retarget them and increase conversions. A/B test different ad copies. Sometimes changing just one word can double your CTR. Look for seasonal trends. Promote products that are hot during holidays and special events. Final thoughts. Affiliate marketing with Google Ads is one of the fastest ways to start earning online, but only if you do it the right way. Choose the right product, target the right keywords, create engaging ads, and track everything to keep your campaigns profitable. Now, tell me in the comments, what niche are you thinking of promoting with Google Ads? Let's chat! And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more insider tips on making money online.